Hey viewers, this is Amit Kachilia after a long time. Motto of our video series, do it yourself. We want to make people financially literate so that they become financial experts in handling their own personal finance under the mantra called it as do it yourself. And today's video is all about do it yourself. Yes, the disclaimer. Neither myself nor my organization are in any way associated to any financial product selling company. So we are not in short mutual fund agents. We are not here to sell insurance or we are not stockbrokers. So you can treat our opinions to be very much unbiased. Yeah, as I said, do it yourself is the video, right? So we call it as do it yourself financial surgery workshop. We have been conducting such workshops across cities since past 3 years, but now we felt like it's high time that we stretch our wings to more cities, and accordingly, reason being, we are living in now a post-COVID scenario. Okay, what this workshop is? It's a one-day workshop. We call it as financial surgery workshop. It will cover how to draft your own financial plan. Okay. How to analyze mutual fund schemes aligned to your financial goals and how to periodically review your financial plan. So it's all doing it on your own after successfully completing the workshop. Yeah, post-COVID scenario, as I mentioned, what it is. So under the post-COVID scenario, earlier this component was there, the alertness, but now it's picking up very fast. People have become more alert in terms of their family, their health, their finance. So when it comes to financial management, it makes sense that people take charge of their finances in their own hands, as we need to be more alert, more proactive, more vigilant to act quickly and swiftly so that our financial goals do not get compromised by such external force factors. The equity and debt markets across the globe have become more unpredictable, more volatile, benefiting only those people who are more alert in handling their finances. The definition of long term has changed, okay, under the post-COVID scenario, the new normal. You will achieve your goals only if you remain vigilant in shuffling your portfolio based on the changes in the external factors and still aligning it to your financial goals. How to do it? You will be learning in the workshop itself. Who can attend this workshop? Very serious and sincere people who want to manage their finances professionally and scientifically all by themselves without depending on any external agency. So in short, you won't be depending on me also after the workshop. So no need for this, you need not be techno savvy. Okay, just basic understanding of how a country works, that's it. And you need to have your own laptop and you are good to go. You are done with the workshop. Language of the workshop, it will be English. So Hindi plus English so that all our participants are able to understand the workshop so that it will help them in doing their financial planning on their own. Takeaways for the workshop, there are many, one by one. On successfully completing the workshop, the participants will be getting a software file to make their own financial plan. Okay. Second, they'll be getting robotic advisory files for mutual fund scheme analysis. So they will be able to decide the mutual fund schemes on their own. Okay. Considering their financial goals. A workshop completion certificate as a matter of authentication from our side. Fourth, a 1 month support. Very important because it's a one-day workshop. We'll explain the flow of the workshop later on. After the workshop, when you make your own financial plan at your leisure, sitting in your office or home, you may get stuck up in certain aspects of your maybe financial planning aspects or maybe troubleshooting in terms of mutual fund SIM selection and so on. You can contact us by taking our time and we will on a proactive basis, again online itself, troubleshoot your problem so that you are able to make your plan, execute it, review it also. Okay, so that so it's not that just one call, you can contact a number of times. That 1 month support is for that matter only. There is a bonus takeaway considering the post-COVID scenario, but do wait for it. areas covered in the workshop, as we mentioned, let me go with the flow. The first part of the day of the workshop will be goal-based investment planning, that is how to make a financial plan on your own using our software file. Drafting your financial plan, that is. Second part of the day will be mutual fund scheme selection. How do you analyze? Instead of depending on biased opinions of some agencies, better to do it on your own using our files. Scheme analysis, how to invest online, okay, how to review it, and all that stuff will be covered in the second part of the day of the workshop. So broadly, after completing the workshop, you will be knowing these 3 areas of your financial planning activity, and that is what you require to know. It's a one-day workshop because we do have 2-day workshops also, which covers equity research and insurance planning or aspects also, but that's an extensive workshop. You have that option, of course, but this is a one-day workshop which we are covering in this video as a promotional thing. You will be learning financial planning, that is the diagnosis phase, the surgery and medicinal phase, that is scheme selection and everything. Third being, how do you annually review? So it's once you have done with the workshop, it's not that every year you need to attend the workshop, because every year your financial plan will change considering the macro environment or your own family scenario. No, you will be able to review it on your own. That's it. It's not that every year you need to go with some review workshop also. Not required. Of course, that's advisable, but not required. Yeah, now what we are coming up with? We are coming up with group workshops also, because considering the post-COVID scenario, that physical distancing and all that stuff, I was bored with that social distancing, but okay, that's why I use the word physical distancing. Okay, we are covering 3 aspects. 3 options available. One is a group of employees or managers coming together, contacting us, or somebody takes the lead, contacts us, arrange the workshop for us, arrange the workshop and we'll come. Okay. So in this, under the old scenario, companies had beared certain cost of the workshop fee also. So it's up to you and your organization. Second being members of a residential building like gated communities in Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore, Hyderabad and so on, wherein the people employed in a company, we have given that option. Okay, residential building, people are there, different families are there. You have a community hall in your building. You can contact us and we can have a workshop over there. Third option being a group of friends, colleagues, professionals, like-minded people coming together, contacting us. As we said, the minimum size of the workshop is required to be 5, maximum 15, because it's a very personalized connection kind of a workshop. It's a full day, right from 9:30 to evening 6:30, 8 maybe, depends. Till I make sure that I've taught you everything. It's a knowledge sharing workshop. As a financial planner since 2008, we have developed so many things, we have learned so many things. I'm just giving my 12 years of efforts truncated into one-day version called as workshop, one-day workshop. Points to be noted. By the end of the workshop, each and every participant will be comfortably be able to make their own financial plan on their own, of their family, and start executing it using our robotic files. The participant is required to carry his or her own laptop, okay, for the full day with the charger, because the workshop will require live financial plan drafting work. Points to be noted apart from that are that participant will make a financial plan of a realistic case study of not their own. Reason is for confidentiality reasons. We don't want participants make their financial plan in front of us, sitting beside to some another participant. That will risk the privacy aspects. Okay, so that's why we want that first day of the workshop you are doing financial planning of some case study so that you learn out of it, and then a personalized financial planning file will be handed over to you. Okay, and so that at your home, at your leisure, you can do it. Lifetime benefit, yes, the workshop fee is a one-time cost, as a investment rather, towards your own financial security. Okay, what you are able to achieve out of this on a lifetime basis, that you are able to make your own financial plan, analyze the mutual fund schemes, considering the market dynamics and your financial goals aligned to it, execute the financial plan promptly, and also review it annually. Yes, the bonus set takeaway, what we are giving under the post-COVID scenario. Our workshop is nothing but the human touch, but now we are providing artificial intelligence to it. Okay, so we call it as machine learning, it's a deadly combination, and considering the future dynamics from here onwards, this is the future. Okay. Yeah. Who am I? My name is Amit Kachelia. I'm the member of my company as Astute Fincare Private Limited. It's a financial planning company. We provide customized solutions, but to a limited group of people. Now, workshop model is totally different for this, with offices in Thane, Pune, Nasik. As an MBA in finance and the first certified financial planner from Nasik. I have 18 years of experience in finance. So the goal is that after the workshop, you are your own financial planner. So you don't require anybody now to handle your finance. So think over it. These are our contact details. My cell number 9766313859. My email ID amit.kachelia.india@gmail.com. astutefincare.com. Sorry. Okay, you can just make a note of it. And yes, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you so much.